Alright, so I pulled the capacitor here from the AC unit. I just want to show you the test of how this works real quick before we'll go over to the AC unit to show you kind of how this works. So get my handy dandy Milwaukee meter out. We're going to switch to capacitance because we're going to be measuring the capacitor. So we just take this, and what it is on these, they're 45/5 dual capacitor. One runs the compressor, one runs the fan. The 45 will be the compressor, the fan will be the 5. So I got a brand new one, and I'm going to show you how these check out. All right, so what you do is take your meter, okay, so you got the Herm, which is your side, and you got the fan and the common, so that you see on the top. So we're going to take our leads, we're going to put one here on the common in the middle, and then we're going to put one on the Herm side, which is a compressor. Now you see what came up, 4.61 nanofarads. That's way off, way below the rating. All right, so then we go to the fan side, which should be 5. Look what we get, 2.8 microfarads. Should have been 5. It's way below. It's enough to start the fan, like we will observe, but not enough. Really, nothing will get the compressor going with that. However, if you look at the new one, okay, so we do it here. So we go to our common lead, boom, and go to the Herm or your compressor side. Hold on a second, let me get it on there. Okay, let's try that again. All right, it's hard to hold the camera and everything here. Hold on. All right, so boom. It's not trying to sit right. It keeps trying to bounce around. This is hard to do. All right. Okay, so got it on there. You got to kind of sit there a little bit for it to charge. And look at that, 45 microfarads on the compressor. It's perfect. And you go to the fan, and it should read 5. Boom, there it is. So that's a perfect capacitor, and that's what we want. All right, so let's go ahead and install this now, and we'll get to it. All right, so we're here at the AC unit, and I already hooked up the new capacitor in there. We're gonna tie it down back onto the strap. Like so. Keeping in mind the brown is for your fan, this little yellow is the compressor, and this is your commons, 2 common wires, and everything else. This is your relay. Hopefully all that's good. I'm just going to assume that it's probably still good because the fan did run with it. So we're going to go ahead and put everything back together now. You hear that? You hear the compressor? You can hear it running right here. It's definitely running. You hear it? Oh yeah. It sounds good too. It sounds really good. Yep. You can hear the compressor humming. Real nice. Sounds good. Everything works good. Sounds good. Chris will be happy. I fixed it and saved him a shitload of money. Yeah. You know, they charge like thousands to fix that stuff. I hope he gives you some kind of whatever for that. All right, so the AC clearly is working. That capacitor repaired it. It's getting nice and cool down here. Feels really good upstairs. Yeah, just getting nice and cool. It's working. One final test. We haven't seen any flickering, so what I'm thinking here happened is the capacitor was feeding back weird frequencies in the system, which was causing the flickering because it was changing the hertz frequency. When capacitors feedback and they fail, they can create frequency changes, and that can make the flickering. So right now I'm hooked up to the kitchen, and where they had a lot of problems, and we're doing an amp check, and as you can see, it's pretty consistent. It's pretty much resting at 8. It's looking good. Okay, I feel pretty good. The system's stable. We haven't seen any flickering. What I want to do now, let's check the AC. See if we can get in here. Kind of tight in here. Let me see. All right. Okay, this is one peg of the AC, one hot. It's real consistent at 8 amps. Looking good. It's pretty consistent. Let's check another area. Well, that's a low. That's only like 0.7. This must be light or something. Pretty good. Looks all good. So I feel pretty good. They're running the dryer. Let's see what it's pulling. If I can get. It's hard to get in that wire. Let me see. Let's try to get that on there. Oh. Yep. All right, so it's 4 amps on the dryer. Really consistent, not moving a bit. All right, looks good. Let's do that one more time. Check that one. Yep, this is the kitchen again. Yep, looks good.